Hey guys, this is Faraz and welcome back to this channel. And guys, today I'm going to check out the official teaser of movie Acharya, which is an upcoming Telugu movie, and it stars mega star Chiranjeevi in the lead role with Kajal Agrawal, and Ram Charan either is in this movie or he is the producer of this movie. I'm not sure because his name is included in the title of this movie. I mean, with the title of this movie, in the official teaser it says that Ram Charan, Chiranjeevi and Kajal Agrawal. So I am hoping that either he is in the movie, which I am not sure because it is from the Konidela Productions, which is of course the production house of Chiranjeevi sir. I mean mega star Chiranjeevi, and Ram Charan have also produced few movies of Chiranjeevi sir. So I am hoping for that, but I am not sure that he is in the movie or not. So without wasting any time, let's just check this teaser out. Then we are gonna talk about it.
ఇతరుల కోసం జీవించేవారు దైవంతో సమానం. అలాంటి వారి జీవితాలే ప్రమాదంలో పడితే
I shot.
ఆ దైవమే వచ్చి కాపాడాల్సిన పని లేదు.
Oh.
పాఠాలు చెప్పే అలవాటు లేకపోయినా అందరూ ఎందుకో ఆచార్య అంటుంటారు. బహుశా గుణపాఠాలు చెప్తాననేమో.
Awesome background music, guys. The music is given by Manish Sharma. I don't know this guy. I mean, I don't know whether he is a very fantastic musician or not, but from the background music just gave me chills. The background music was awesome. One thing which you can notice in every South Indian movie is the background music of there. The background music is just fabulous, guys. Fabulous background music. I mean, whether it is the introduction scene of an star of anything, but every time you can notice it that the background music is just awesome, fabulous background music. And Manish Sharma is the music director of this movie, so I'm hoping that he has given the background music of this. And they haven't showed Ram Charan, so we are clear on that Ram Charan is the producer of this movie, not in this movie. And Kajal Agrawal also in this movie, but they haven't showed a single glimpse of her in the teaser. So I'm hoping that they are gonna show her in the trailer, full-fledged trailer, whenever it's gonna come out. So maybe in July or the weekend of Eid. I'm thinking that because I saw somewhere that this movie is coming out on the Eid weekend, Eid 2021. So around that, and four movies are clashing on Eid weekend this year. Radhe and Major. No, Major is in July, and then this movie. And other two movies are one from Bollywood and another is from also Telugu cinema. So these four are clashing on Eid 2021, and this looks quite interesting. Unfortunately, we don't have any English subtitles for this, so I couldn't understand what he was saying in that last scene. But I'm sure he mentioned something about Acharya because I heard that word. So you guys can let me know down in the comments below about that, whatever he said in that last scene, because I'm quite curious about to know that. And whatever your thoughts are regarding this teaser, regarding this movie, if I'm wrong about something, then please do let me know down in the comments below about that too. And please don't mind my voice and my low excitement because I am not perfectly well. I'm a little ill, but keeping aside that fact, I really enjoyed this teaser and I'm looking forward to this. I mean, as soon as the more stuff of this movie come out, I mean, whether a second teaser or a full-fledged trailer, so I'm looking forward to this. And it's Chiranjeevi, mega star Chiranjeevi, so of course I'm gonna watch this movie. The last movie which I saw of Chiranjeevi sir was Saira Narasimha Reddy, and it was a nice movie, not very awesome one, but period movie, history-based movie. So it was a good movie. So let's not talk about that movie. So talking about Acharya, guys, whatever your thoughts are, please drop them in the comments below about this. And do let me know if you guys have any more suggestions for me. So please drop them in the comments too. And if you really like this reaction, really like this video, then please hit that like button. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit subscribe button below for more videos like this, and push that notification bell icon so you never miss another update from this channel. Until then, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please keep watching and keep supporting.